In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can change your Riot ID, also known as your League of Legends username, completely for free. First, you'll need to log into your League of Legends account. Once you're logged in and the Riot client is open, go ahead and click on the Store button. Inside the store, look for a small option labeled Account and click on it. From there, you should see an option called Riot ID Change. Go ahead and select that and click Continue. This will open a browser window where you may be asked to log into your Riot account again. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account settings page. Here, you'll see your current Riot ID, which is made up of your username and your tagline. Your username is the main name people see, while the tagline is the short code that comes after it and helps identify your account when others search for you. To change your Riot ID, simply type in the new name you want, and if needed, update your tagline as well. Once you're happy with your new name, confirm the change and it will be applied to your account. Keep in mind, you can only change your Riot ID once every 90 days, so make sure you double-check for any spelling mistakes and choose a name you actually like before confirming. You don't want to be stuck with something you regret. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can easily change your Riot ID in League of Legends for free. Thanks for watching.